Hey guys, Tony here. So Shiba Inu is gonna be closing a bullish day in 1 minute and 45 seconds. We haven't closed a bullish day ever since. Let me see if I can actually grab it here from October 23rd, which actually ended up started. Which actually started our rally from 27 microcents all the way up to 88 microcents. And again, um, we actually happen to have an ongoing trend that it actually recently just bounced on from November 10th, which was yesterday. So there's a lot of things that are showing up that are indicating really bullish momentum for Shiba Inu right now. On the 4 hour especially, you did break that downtrend that we had back from late October. So this whole downtrend, it actually just got broken today, and it did a really, really good job from yesterday to today to breaking that to the upside. So I really want to see how strong Shiba Inu can move on this day close right now that we're gonna have in 41 seconds. So if you were looking at adding positions into Shiba Inu or looking into converting other crypto into Shiba Inu, I would strongly recommend if to do it right now. I'm not saying you should. If you believe that Shiba Inu is actually going to keep running to the upside, I'd say now is probably the time to do it. I mean, like, again, last time this happened, you ran from 27 to 88, and then prior to that, you ran from 8 microcents all the way up to like 36, dropped a little bit, and then again you had that trigger over here and you ran. So if I had to take a quick guess, I'd probably say that if I had to make a really quick forecast, I'd say that the next stop is going to be 3 zeros and 118. I think that's what I came down to. It would be 000 118 would probably be my forecast from right there. And it's really just, taking what happened last time, right? So last time you ran from here, actually that's my bad. Last time you actually ran from here, and you took it all the way up right there, right? So you ran 0005793. We can kind of do the same thing here, where you actually just close. So we'll take it from the middle, right? And then I actually did that in 5 days. So we'll do the same thing. 5 days. 5793, 5793. There you go. So pretty close. Your new target price would be somewhere around here. That 11207. I don't know, somewhere around that price range. We can maybe expect another similar run like this to happen by November, like mid-November, November 15th. I just really want to see how strong this push can be, right? Really want to see how strong this daily close on the reverse MACD is actually going to take us, especially with a stochastic break into the upside. So like I said, if you're thinking about converting positions or getting in, now would probably be the best time. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.